Alright, we got the cab back from the media blaster. Blasted inside and out. Roof. Back of the cab. Under the bottom. Firewall. Boy, it looks good. Brandon heating, blasting, and coating between Geraldine and Fife. He does our blasting for us. He done a good job on this one. Can't wait to start getting some color on it. We're gonna try to get it in prime. Okay, we got that old noisy forklift out of the way now. We can show the cab a little bit better. It turned out real solid and real good. I mean, he blasted every corner, nook, cranny, inside and out. Floor pans are in good shape. A couple little spots. We're gonna get her wiped down and get some primer on it. Just showing you everything real good. Couple little spots in that floor pan. Justin's wiping it down. Drake's fixing to mix up some primer. Firewall. We'll get it lifted up, we'll give it underneath shot. But this cab is solid. Alright, here's the underside. You can tell anything about it. Kind of hard on the camera here. Underside of the cab. Couple little small spots there in the cab corner. Floors look real good. Little spot there. But I mean, this thing looks good. Okay, we got the cab totally primed inside and out. Got it all primed where it won't rust after being blasted. Get ready to start doing a little body work. Starting to weld up a few little holes in it. Not much there, a couple little spots. Getting everything cleaned up. Okay, we got the filler neck hole filled up. Got it smoothed out, looking good. We'll put the gas tank in the frame. Starting to work a few of the small dents. Started on the body work. Making it look nice. Never shine, doing what I should. Never be, never see. Won't see what might have been. What I felt, what I've known. Never shine.